I'm attorney Tim Semelroth with RSH Legal. After you've been in a car crash in Iowa, the other driver's insurance company will likely call you and say that they want to take your recorded statement. You may think that this is a good time to tell your side of the story. After all, you weren't at fault for the crash. However, once your statement has been taken, it is impossible to change it. Without realizing it, you may say something or not say something that could make your claim harder to prove down the line. That's one reason to think twice before giving a recorded statement to the other driver's insurance company. Another reason why a recorded statement can be damaging to your case is the nature of injuries that typically occur after a car crash. Immediately after a crash, your adrenaline is pumping, your heart is racing, you may be in shock. You may not notice the amount of pain you're in. The insurance company adjuster for the other driver will try to contact you shortly after a crash to get a statement. If you decide to give them a recorded statement, you may say something during your statement about that you didn't think that you were injured or that you're not in any pain. The problem is that a few days later, when the shock wears off, you may experience stiffness, soreness, or other pain. It can turn out that you actually were injured in your car crash. However, your recorded statement would say otherwise. It will then become an uphill battle to get the other driver's insurance company to pay your medical bills. They will argue that since you said you were not injured at the time of your recorded statement, any claim for getting medical bills paid is just a cash grab. This can be an uphill battle for your attorney to fight against. Therefore, if the insurance company calls you to give a recorded statement, you can and should refuse to do so. Often, an insurance company adjuster will respond by saying, "Well, we will not pay your medical bills unless you give us a recorded statement." Don't be fooled. The other driver's insurance company is not required to pay your medical bills until ordered to do so by a judge after a trial. They are unlikely to pay for anything until you're ready to settle your entire injury claim. Giving a recorded statement does not mean that the insurance company will immediately begin to pay your medical bills. It's likely that your recorded statement can do more harm than good. Because these tactics are so often used to fool injured car accident victims, our firm only allows clients to speak with the other driver's insurance company when one of our attorneys is present. We make sure that our clients are protected from shady methods used by insurance companies. If an insurance company is calling you for a recorded statement after a car crash, call RSH Legal today at 1-800-433-0283. One of our experienced car accident attorneys will advise you on the next steps to take.